Hi guys, and good morning. This is Mrs. Tucker with your details about your assignment today. As you guys know, or as most of you know in Avid, one of the things that we try to do is attend field trips. We want you to actually go to college campuses, talk to people who work there, see what the college life is like. But unfortunately, due to COVID, a lot of that has been limited. The National Avid Group has actually helped put together a virtual college fair. A lot of schools are not having college fairs anymore. So it's sponsored by Career Council and the National Hispanic Virtual College Fair. Do understand, no, you do not have to be Hispanic to attend. That's just who has helped sponsoring it. On Tuesday, February the 16th, it's from 7:30 in the morning to 3:30. So we are going to attend this virtual college fair as a group February 16th. What you're doing today is you're actually going to register. So when you click on the link in the assignment, before you register, I would like you to come down here and you're going to watch this video. It's titled How to Get the Most Out of the Virtual College Fair. Because guys, it doesn't really help you to register and attend if you're not really going to participate and understand. And some of you may not even understand what a virtual college fair is. So it's a good video for you to go ahead and watch, give you some information. Now I'm going to come back up, but something I noticed, so you can see some of the schools who are attending, and you might be like, I've never heard of those schools, Mrs. Tucker. Just keep on going. Look, Texas A&M Galveston, right around the corner from us, University of Texas at Austin. I don't know who. Go to college fairs. I think it's an organization that you can talk to. Iowa State, Langston University, University of Arizona, Stephen F. Austin, right around the corner from us as well, Texas Tech. So as you can see, there are several schools that are in the state of Texas, but you can scroll through here. I wanted you to see who is going to be there. And then, of course, there's other schools. I don't know where they are, so maybe look them up and see. So once you watch the video, if you want to go through the list, then you're going to come up here. You're going to click this blue link, register for college fair. Now, I have to register as well. Notice it says if you're already registered but want to modify your registration, so you can do that. So I'm putting that I'm a counselor. Yeah, I know I'm a teacher, but hey, got to do what you got to do. I am putting my email address. I'm choosing a password, but you can't see it, so ha ha ha, don't try to steal my account, ha ha ha. But one of y'all probably has some kind of encryption thing, you know what I'm doing. So I'm filling all this out, guys. Save and continue. And then if you're interested in the college prep presentations, be aware that space is limited. If you can't make the live event, don't worry. All sessions will be recorded. Please arrive on time. So they've got the begin registration. They've got the agenda. We're going to save and continue. Thanks for registering. Yay. Now, I will get more information about which events that you're going to go to. And really, guys, that's all you need to do today. I need a screenshot of this. Tells me that you've registered and that you've used your email address. It did say, use your personal email address, because sometimes school email addresses, hey, that's what I just used, huh? Oops. Because sometimes they don't go through. Now, if you want to try your school email address, and if it does go through, perfect. But if not, then I would use my personal email. But to get credit for today, I need a screenshot that you have actually registered. As we get closer, because it's still a month away, I will send more details on what you have to do, how you have to do it, etc. All right, guys, have a great Wednesday.